It's gonna be a January 2023 subs box. And every box gets something is new. So let's open it. Lux, good health and a lot of successful in whatever you're doing. This is the luck for me, so I'm gonna keep my red envelopes. It is not only one, I received two of them. I'm looking for. It's really cool. A triple palette. Ooh, it's beautiful. It has all three different colors. It have a single 3D charms handcraft and a crystal mega mix for get some cute little charms of like 2023 bluish greenish colors. And then I have the free gifts like a gold sticker, like a Louis sticker, so it's really fun and you never go wrong. You have this. I want crystal diamond dust pixie AB, so it's gonna be a random all different mix of a top. Yeah, basically you have 11 items. There's one here too. It has a lot of products for you to use throughout the years and this also is going to be a great gift for any of you are thinking of what to get for your loved ones. Please stay tuned and we'll come back with the tutorials. All right, bye everyone.